let's start with impact. What are you seeing in impact, and what are the things that or the opportunities you see there?
And there is an appetite amongst governments to tax businesses that are not behaving in a responsible way or meeting certain sustainability goals. And I think that will create a commercial impetus for businesses to take action and to become more sustainable in the way they deal with people, the environment, and a whole slew of things. So I think it is quite an interesting area, just from a good business perspective. Entrepreneurs, tend to deep down in their heart want to help the world and solve problems. I think investors sometimes don't share that view, that they prefer to keep all of that stuff out of the way of their investment decisions.
There's clearly a lot of skepticism as well in the investing community. So what's your views on that?
Well, yeah, because it comes down to this kind of broad asset allocation idea versus a narrow asset allocation idea, and this idea that if whenever people have tried to create sort of little portfolios or little indexes within a completely diversified bundle, it hasn't tended to work that well. Now, I think the difference with ESG is that there is this consensus, so there is going to be a greater demand. And when you've got these titans like, BlackRock manages, $7 trillion. That's, to put that in perspective, it's like 7 times the gross domestic product of Italy. It's a huge amount of money that they have under management, and they said they will prioritize ESG. Norway has already interesting that Norway's all its money came from oil and gas, but its sovereign wealth fund is now going to move toward more sustainable investments. So so there is that shift in that really big money, and so if that big money is going to come into those asset classes, then there's a good chance that retail cash will also follow those sort of trends. So.